Every morning I make an effort to, well, I don't make an effort. Every morning, regardless of the weather, I go out and I fill up the bird feeder and I try and give the birds a little food in the winter. Anyway, one of the problems I've had with the birds is that every now and then one hits the window, and that kind of defeats the purpose of feeding them, because I'm trying to help them out. I certainly don't want them to hit the window. So I had to come up with something to discourage them from hitting the window, some sort of device or message that keeps them away from the window. And I thought, what is the most scary, obscenely hideous thing I could put in the window to scare them off? I thought about it for quite some time, and I finally came up with this. Since I put that up, not a single bird has hit the window, so mission accomplished. Ha! I'm no bird brain. One step above.